Hey guys, so we've got a cold front coming in, big blizzard tomorrow, talking 10 to 16 inches of snow where I'm at. So we're gonna hit the calm before the storm. We're gonna fire Jem in here, and she hasn't been out in a month. She had an injury, so we're gonna turn her loose and see if she can trace a couple coon. Leaving like she's late for work. Alright guys, it's been about 2 minutes. She's at about 450 yards. Hasn't opened yet. She's in a good spot though. She's down right along the river. Got the little pup out tonight. She's growing like a weed. Got the old man, Coon Man Dan, out tonight. He's growing like a weed too, but the different direction.
You're funny.
Yeah, she's getting in there. Was really windy earlier. It's pretty calm now. Nice and quiet. We should be able to hear real good. Actually, really surprised she hasn't opened yet.
Yeah, she's that far out.
Definitely a night to wear some layers though. It's a little chilly.
Can't believe the coyotes aren't out yet.
That's alright. Oh, I mean, we had that freaking big bright moon for how many? There she is.
There she's on the other side.
It's 5:55 there. Kind of in an oxbow back there. For anybody wondering, that pup's only 5 months old. Just barely 5 months. She just kind of fell treed there. I mean, she had to work the track back in there, but I don't know why she worked it silent. Must have been cold track. Listen once again. Whatever it was, she didn't like it. See what she's doing. She's still right in there though. She just crossed the river with it. Go get her.
Walk in there a little farther.
Yeah.
There's corn yet on the bottom of this. Oh, I mean, it's standing like this, even down the bottom. Yeah, they're gonna come anywhere deep, should be here. I should say, there was corn. I'm sure it's probably 98% kernel.
You don't sound that far.
She's probably 300. She's right in the back of the oxbow. Yeah, she's 360. So she hit that first tree right in there. Now she's worked it out of there. Looks like there must be kind of like a beaver swamp back in there a little. That's kind of where she's grinding out right now. She's not a dog that's just gonna pull up trade. She's pretty accurate. When she trees, she's usually got a coon. trying to think though which way we're gonna be better off going. If we're better off going to that grass and back out that back corner, or if we're better off going down straight to the bottom and then going into the woods. I think the grass would be better because then we can cross the river depending on where she's at right away.
Yeah, but she don't really, I don't know.
Oh, she's got a tree first. I ain't gonna go anywhere until she does. Oh, she's working it hard. This head's gotta be like a midday track. Cause she's just back and forth in there. This is where she located first. And she worked it across the river. And she's kind of getting... She keeps checking that area. Yeah, she just checked that tree. Right here.
Right there.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's take the grass and then cross the river and go to the other side. A little bit. She worked it out through there a little bit. That was a nice locate. Kind of sounded like a freight train in there.
Grizzly bear.
Jumping. Alright guys, we'll see you at the river. Alright guys, I made it into the woods here. She's still probably 300, 350. We're gonna get down here where we can cross the river. Go ahead and get to her. Flowing and wide open. You're fine. It's not deep.
No, I'm just
Come on, Katie. Come on, good girl. Killed many a deer back right in here. You know, if you go slow, you won't get wet.
I did a little bit.
He's supposed to be old and wise. He's not always. She got it out of there. Starting to take it up that draw. Oh, if that's the case, let's go this way. We're gonna go out where that opening where the deer always come through. Alright guys, I'll check back with you when we get back in hearing over. She's kind of doing circles down in there. She's worked it out a long ways though. She's already put on 1.5 miles. There she is locating. She's usually more of a quick ball mouth dog on the ground. So I keep saying I think this is a cold track, just for the fact that she just keeps letting out locates left and right. She's just really not opening her mouth near what she normally does. Which I don't much care for one that just sits there and barks and barks and barks, but she definitely at least lets you know where she's at.
I'm just surprised there ain't more coon out.
Well, Cody and I had this problem the other night, so thought it would be a good night before we got that freezing rain,
Yeah.
and there just wasn't anything out.
Well, maybe they were already out at midday and got everything
That's
they
what
needed.
Like I said, this has got to be like a midday track. I mean, just the way she's grinding it out. Good job well done though. She's got one over her head when we go into her if she gets treed here. You know, that's how red her head's getting.
Yep.
I still don't think it's gonna go full red.
I don't think it is either. I think she's gonna stay pretty black. The ears might go red, but the rest of her ain't gonna.
What's her opinion?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm always the one talking. Turn your light off once. What do you think she's got going on here?
I think it's just cold.
Think it's cold track or what?
I think it's cold track.
Cold feeder track, you think?
Maybe. I don't know if she's gonna find anything in that one or not.
No, and odds are of us ending up at a den are pretty high, but might have it on the outside. Sows are all bred. Should be laying up.
Yeah, that's true.
Boars are all skinny and rutted out. Who knows?
I still would think with this weather, they gotta be moving at some point.
Yeah, I think we go to a different spot after she makes this tree.
She sounds good.
That might just be this spot. I don't know. This is the first time this year, though, I've ended up over in this pasture, which is surprising.
Yeah, I haven't been down here before. I turkey hunt around here, but I haven't been down in this spot.
No. What's your opinion, Pee-wee? What do you think? What do you think? She got a pink nose. I can't remember the last time I've had a dog with a pink nose.
I think her colors are going to stay pretty close to what they are right now, though.
Well, yeah, her dad is all black. Her mom's all black. That's her redhead, not her mama. But she looks like Anna a lot.
I don't think her head's going to get any redder. I think she's at where she's at.
Maybe. Who knows? If anybody's confused, Walker puppies come out black and white like a little Holstein cow. And they develop their red or tan color later on as they get to 1 year old. So like when she was born, her whole head was black with the white. Now it's slowly turning to red.
Definitely a nice night to be out though. It's super calm, no wind.
Well, considering we're all gonna be stuck inside for the next
3 days.
2 to 3 days. Yeah. Beautiful night.
This will be our worst storm we've had in probably 3-4 years coming up.
Yeah, if we get what they're predicting.
Because we haven't had winters like we have in Minnesota for the last 5 years. There she goes.
Just gonna stick it. Come on, stick to it like glue, girl. Give her a couple seconds here. Still ain't on it. Not near what she should be, but it's definitely the best sounding. She's came on one tonight. He's always got his little kid mismatch mittens on.
I'm poor. I can't afford anything else.
Come on, woman. I should state too, she's not even 3 yet. And she's had limited hunting. She is a young dog. But when the coon are moving, she does things real well. And she looks real good. But like I said, she isn't one to just pull up on a slick tree, so she's gonna work a track. Which, on a cold Minnesota night like this, that's exactly what they should be doing, isn't it?
Yep.
I'd rather sit out here with my hands in my pockets for 45 minutes than walk to 3 slick trees in a row. And I know you would feel the same.
Exactly.
Hopefully I don't miss any action, but we'll check back in. I'm gonna give her a minute here. She checked the hell out of it. Now she seems sure. She did about a 150-yard circle around that tree. Oh, should we go ahead to her?
Here, wait a minute.
Let's just go. It's gonna take us 5 minutes to get over there. This is just a little feeder stream into here. Let her get back on her tree and figure it out. Oh, I love this little jaw. It's a nice little jaw. Let's go see what they got here. Get in there and get her tied up. Yeah, it's 100%. Yep. I don't know, the way it goes over into this shit out. Good girl. like I'd be able to see that thing in the frickin' hole. Is that you? Hey, do me a favor. Good girl. Good girl. Get him up there. Good girl. Get him up there. Good girl. Good girl. Get him up there. Get him. Get him up there. Good girl. Good girl. I think I see it.
Huh?
Where's that gun? Doesn't that look like fur?
Huh?
Doesn't that look like fur?
Where?
Inside that hole. Look on my phone. Inside of the tree should be white.
Yeah.
Like that. That looks like fur. Well, now that we got out of there, got our thoughts a little collected. Definitely a den. I couldn't quite tell zooming in on one of the woodpecker holes if I could see fur or not. But we figured that's what she was going to end up with, a track like that. Did a nice job. Circle her up. Spot one. It's a shame it took an hour for that to happen, but it is what it is. I'm gonna head on back to the truck since it doesn't really seem like the coon are moving too well here. Go to a different spot. Probably get one more drop in and then Dad's gonna have to motor. He's gonna work in the morning if he can get there. See what time this blizzard hits.
I'll get there. It's getting back home.
Alright guys, just got to our second spot. She's still got plenty of energy, so we're gonna fire her back in there one more time. Probably need another den, but we'll give her a try and see what we can do. She's doing a good job getting through there. She actually hunted it the right way. go up into the yard. It's a den tree right over, kind of just north of us. Kind of the direction she's heading. I wonder if that's where she's going. She hasn't said a word yet. Problem is now she's going the wrong direction. Yeah, I think we were both wrong, Pops. Unless they're moving early in the morning. Which could be, because Ty went out the other day and he caught one on the ground with his freaking pup.
What time?
Like 4 a.m. when he got done with work.
When he got done with work?
Yeah.
Does he work overnights now or what?
Yeah.
Or is he still working at the same place?
No. No, he moved.
Oh.
Oh, the hair dripping. Like it did. There she is. All right. That's a night, huh?
You done?
Hunted out this whole woods. All right, let's roll then. All right, guys, another, I don't know, ever since I broke this camera out, it seems like we've been having a heck of a time putting something decent together, but it's just that time of year. You know, the spring coon movement really hasn't fired off yet or anything, so it is what it is. Just trying to kind of document my little bit of dog work I get to do, so. Any final words, Daniel? Come on, what up? Bode. Come on, what up? Hey. Come on, what up? Stay. What do you think? All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully, get this weather to break soon and actually get you guys seeing some coon treed, not just dens.